Well, here's my center console. Finally finished it. Got the lid and everything installed on it. Hinge. I covered the insides, bottoms with the bed liner material so they stuff don't rattle around in there, don't move around too much in there. I'm going to put a foam seal around the whole perimeter of it because it's got a little bit of a gap, and all I got left to do is put the latch on and it'll be ready. I'm going to go ahead and install it inside the truck. Well, here's what it looks like. Console inside the truck. Right there. Perfect height. Put your arm on. And it's still and there's still a seat if you have a third passenger. There it is. Thanks for watching.